Hello, I'm Dr. Nitin. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to conduct a live event in Teams for up to 10,000 people. Teams meeting is for interaction and discussion, but in a live event, only presenter can share audio, video and screen. Participants can only interact by posting questions. Live events are popular for internal as well as external events. So who can connect to an external event or a public event? Up to 10,000 people. No registration required, no login required. Just use the invitation link on a browser. Creating a live event is very simple in Teams. Go to the calendar, choose live event instead of meeting. If you don't see this option, check with your IT team. There are 4 types of roles in a live event: producers, presenters, attendees, and a moderator. Decide whether it's an internal event where people have to log in, or it is an external event where just a link is enough. Live events are automatically recorded, but you can decide whether attendees can view the recording using the same invitation link. It is a good idea to enable live captions in up to 6 languages. Make sure that you enable the Q&A feature, because that's the only way in which attendees can interact with the presenters. Finally, copy this link and send it to attendees. Preparation is very important for a successful live event. Rehearsal is mandatory. Create a separate test event. Involve all the producers, presenters and moderator. Few people should also test as attendees. As a producer, practice how to choose the layout, select inputs and send them live. Create, finalize and distribute the exact sequence of activities. Test the presentation and feedback form links as well. Plan for all failures proactively. Ask everyone to join the event 30 minutes before the scheduled start. As the producer, choose the correct layout, send it to live, mute all, and then start the event. There is only way to start and stop. There is no pause button, so be careful. If you are the attendee, just click the invitation link. You can open it on browser, mobile app or desktop app. If you join early, you will see this message. Once the event starts, you can see and hear the broadcast. If required, choose the correct transcript language. Anytime during the event, you can post your questions, but be patient. Usually, questions are answered at the end of the live event. Moderators as well as presenters can answer the questions. It's a good idea to publish commonly applicable questions so that all attendees can see them. You can either type the answers or let presenter discuss the answers live. At the end of the event, it is good to capture feedback using Microsoft Forms or similar tools. Only producers can end the event. There is no way to restart it. Recording happens automatically. If enabled, attendees can see the recording using the same invitation link. After ending the video, you can download the video, edit it, and share it separately. Download the attendee report and Q&A report as well. Check if all questions have been addressed. If not, you can answer them offline as well. If you want interaction and discussion to continue before, during, and after the event, then create it using Yammer. If you want to use external professional audio and video equipment, then create the live event using Stream. That's it. This is how you manage a Teams live event. Please check out more useful videos in this series about meetings, analytics, collaboration, security, and more. That's all for now. Thank you.